Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Hercules WAE Outdoor 04 Plus, a wireless Bluetooth speaker, and you want to reset all of the Bluetooth pairing, clear the Bluetooth pairing history out of it so that you can start like it's a new device. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with Bluetooth pairing, where it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or not syncing right, or something like that, this factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start so that it's not connecting to anything else than what you want, so you can set it up like a new speaker, pair it to your phone like it's a brand new speaker, we can just go ahead and do that. All we need to do is with the speaker on, you're just going to come in and basically press and hold this Bluetooth button here for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, all of the Bluetooth pairings will be cleared out of it, and then you can go ahead and pair this like you're pairing a brand new speaker for the first time. So if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.